Hello everyone and welcome to video number 2 where we will be creating a game with AI again. This time we'll be asking please create Flappy Bird using Pygame. Boom. Super easy, like everyone can program like Flappy Bird in like, what is this, like 10 seconds? As long as you have AI, of course. That's next one, this one. Perfect. So let's do it. Flappy Bird, let's go. Um, Pi to Flappy Bird, and there it is. It just instantly kills the game. Okay, and let's see if it's actually playable. Oh, it seems to be playable. It's a really great format because it's a mobile game and it just kills the game every time you lose, but it has a score already, so I don't have to ask for a score. But I will have to ask for a menu or some UI elements so I don't have to like restart the whole game every time. Please add a way to restart the game or restart the without having to exit the whole game and restarting it. It's kind of nice to have that, right? And instead of imagine playing Flappy Bird and it just completely closes the app every single time you lose. Uh, it will definitely make you more trying. Hmm. Bird. The bird is non-local. Guess you messed something up. Let's just yeet this in there. Um, Come on. There we go. Better be working now. Bit shameful, AI. Ah, it's not fit on the screen, but that's fine. You're an AI, you don't understand those kind of things. This is a really difficult Flappy Bird clone. Maybe I'll ask it to make it a little bit easier. I'm not that good at Flappy Bird, and I think someone who is good at Flappy Bird might be able to get a little bit better score, but this is very tight. A rise like that, it's not too big of a deal, and of course one flap too many is certain death. So let's see if I can get any further than this. Yeah. Please widen the screen a bit. I'm not on mobile, thanks. Make the space between pipes a bit less tight. So there's more time for you to adjust to height. See if that helps. So pipe cap, is that between pipes left and right, or is it is that like the hole in the pipe? Because I don't know if it understands me or not. Okay. It still does not fit on the screen, the text, but it's definitely the wrong pipe cap that it increased. So let's ask it again. Let's rephrase it. With pipe cap, I don't mean the hole in the pipe. I mean the distance left to right between pipes, as in when the next set of pipes with the hole comes to the bird. You know what I mean? Please revert the last change and do what I mean. There we go, very much logic. The horizontal spacing, exactly. That's how I wanted to word it. I'm totally not lacking vocabulary in the English language or anything. So let's wait for this to generate and copy that code, drop it in. Hopefully it understands me because, yeah, okay, well, the the width of the screen has also been reverted, but that's fine. We can ask it to unrevert that one. But this is definitely, this feels much more natural. That's like, it's fast, but it's much more, it's more forgiving. You have more chance to set up your bird, your physics bird, because that's how they draw everything in physics class. And we're getting pretty decent scores. And what do we even ask from the AI? Because it's a very simple game. There's not like much depth to it. You can ask for a main menu or anything, but that's boring. So let's please increase the width of the screen threefold. So now we get like that screen width that I could have just literally adjusted by doing this. There we go, that's much better, and I can actually see the game over, press R to restart. Yeah, we can display the score on the death screen, that would be nice. This is pretty cool. Please add the score to the death screen as well as a top score that you can save to scores.txt. Then allow the player to add a 3-letter name to save their top score. So let's see if it can properly do that kind of stuff. It's gonna get challenging because it has to like do file IO and everything. Scores.txt. It's literally just gonna write the name to it, I guess. It's not even gonna like, where's the top score even loaded or anything? Okay, this is gonna be interesting. It's gonna blop into my file storage and just poop all over the place. Okay, so your score is 0, top score is 0. Where do I get to put them in my name? I guess I need to score at least 1 point, beat the top score, enter your 3-letter name. I have to do it in the in the console. Agent M, that's not 3 letters. Ha, okay, there we go. AGM, your top score. Well, it saved it in here. That's not too bad. Let's just try to get another top score and see what happens if I beat that top score. So 1 is not a top score. 2 is a top score. Enter your 3-letter name. Okay, AMG then, or AGT. So let's see if it actually created a new entry in here. It should have, yeah. AGT is 2. So let's keep going. Let's get score of 3, I guess. Oh, let's do AGM again and see if it just overwrites. It probably does. Yep. Let's close the game and try again. Let's see if it loads any top scores or if it's just temporary storage. Ah, yep. Yep. Okay, so it does not load it from the scores.txt. Let's do that better. Now make sure to load the top score from the file before starting. And what else does it need to do? If it exists, of course. Is that all I wanted from it? I thought there was something else I wanted from it. Because it's literally just writing the scores to the file. Ah, and also render the name of the top score holder to the screen instead of your top score. So let's see if it can actually read that file. I'm getting scared because it's doing file IO and it might just like delete my entire file system by just running this. So let's see. Okay, it's just creating, opening this file. It's loading the top scores. So hopefully that's safe enough to run on my machine without getting corrupted and imagine installing malware generated by AI. So let's see. Flappy Birds is not even working now because the bird is not defined. Why is the bird suddenly not defined? What did you do? what did you do? Why is the bird suddenly not defined? What was it before? Class pipe, class bird. Okay. What did you do with the class pipe and class bird? Did you remove that? Guess you removed that. Let's just copy the class pipe and class bird again. Let's take all of this and just overwrite that on the top here. Hopefully that works, splicing that together. Okay, top score won by E, correct. Is that actually correct? No, that's not correct. But that doesn't matter. It should be the top score, but because of the previous implementation, it's not. Let's get a score of like 5, so we have something to compete against, right? So let's call ourselves Spy. I'm a spy by Spy. Okay, so now if we die, it's like, oh, top score is 5. We have to really beat that score of 5. And this will work from now on because the last score saved to the file is actually the top score. But that's just an artifact from previous versions. I'm not asking it to be backwards compatible. 6, 7, oh, we're getting a definitely top score. I can like beat that Spy. Score of 9. There we go. So try to beat that. I'll just put this game in the comment section with my scores.txt file, so you can try to beat me. It's probably super easy to beat me anyway, but you can also just ask AI to generate this game for you. So anyway, this is gonna be another shorter video because I'm not very creative at the moment, and this Flappy Bird is pretty good for you know for an AI game. So I'm not gonna like bother the AI with a million customization questions to ask for it to generate something like. Anyway, let's just ask the AI to add bombs and stuff. Add bombs to the game. So if you touch it, then it blows up all pipes on the screen. Of course, my bird and pipe are back, so that's good. Top score loading is there. Main game is there. Some bombs, or a 2% chance. That's percent chance on based on what? On time? So it's gonna do every tick. It's gonna be quite a big chance then. Okay, the bomb. Okay, the bomb is actually okay. pretty common. Why am I dying? I touched the bomb. It should kill all the screen pipes. Okay, I'm gonna go for that bomb. Let's see if I can. Okay, so it's not doing what I wanted it to. Touching bombs ends the game. That is wrong. It should instead reward the player by killing the pipes on screen. Fix it. Fix the problem. I don't care how it generates the bombs, if it's like inside of pipes or anything. No. I just want it to work, and then we'll see what happens. Okay, it's still generating that game. Copy that code. And we reach the limit anyway. So this is it. This is what we get. This is the game. We have to beat a top score of 9, but we do have bombs, and it's list indexed out of range. Great. Line 153. Let's see. Pipes -1. dot x. Where does it destroy the pipes? Pipes are clear. So I guess this fails because there is no such pipe. So I will just say if pipes 0 and or, I mean, so now we just make sure that a pipe exists. If not, wait. Actually, if len pipes equals 0, so if it's empty, then we don't just crash. That should fix the problem. Minor bug, not a big deal. Boom, and it cleared all the pipes. It also cleared all the bombs, so that's interesting. It even logs it to the console. Cleared in 5. Oh my god, it adds points. I just get points for that. That is kind of crazy. Also, the game pauses when you touch the window, so that's like a little bit of cheese. And also the random bomb generation is so bad. It just generates like 50 at a time, and then suddenly like nothing. But hey, we get a top score, and it's like bomb. Yes. So let's play it one more time and try to get a top score that beats bomb. It's 32, but that's with bomb touching. So, oh my god, no bombs at all. Okay, this is easy. We're gonna get 6 points right off the bat. And then we get another 6 points maybe. Oh, no, we missed. Oh, no, we missed. This is really difficult now. And it's more fun because we have bombs. I love how we haven't had a single texture in this game because it cannot really generate textures, and that would be really weird, honestly. Imagine if it's like, please assume these textures exist, and I just download like images from the internet. You know, that gives me an idea. I actually want to try that. So let's just copy this whole code. Let's burn this. Please make the game use textures. The bird should use bird.png. The bomb should use bomb.png. The pipe should use pipe.png. And I don't bother around with top pipe and bottom pipe. So let's do that and see if it can actually add textures to the game. And we'll just actually make our own textures because I am legend. So let's just assume the size is, let's see, bird, right? So bird, this is a bird. This is definitely a bird with some hair, and let's make it red because it's an angry bird. So let's just save this real quick to our folder somewhere in this mess. Call this bird. Then we just do the same thing, but we call it like bomb. So let's just add a bomb, fill it in, add like a little fuse. This is like a humanly accurate bomb, because that's definitely how bombs look like actually. So we call this bomb.png, and then finally we need to make a lanky pipe. So I'll just make a lanky pipe, and we'll just call this pipe. Like this is my pipe. We'll just have like the bottom ends and the top ends both be pipe parts. All right, and of course we don't have any transparency, so this is gonna look horrible. But I don't care, honestly. I can quickly run it through a transparenterizer. Convert alpha. What does .convert alpha do even? What does convert alpha do? Okay, I see what it does. Let's just dump this in here. Hopefully this just runs. And let's just open these up with GIMP or something so I can actually add that transparency to it. Ugh. Annoying. Why do you make me do this game? AI, game, PNG, paint, whatever. So let's say layer, image, layer, transparency on alpha channel. No, actually, let's not do that. Let's say transparency, color to alpha, white. There we go. Now we have like this half transparent bird. I don't care. Overwrite the bird, close the bird, and do the bomb, the pipe, layer, transparency. So now the pipe is also partly transparent. I don't care. And do the same thing over here. Okay, this one is easy at least. Overwrite bomb. And discard those changes because I don't care. And let's just run the game with textures this time. No video mode has been set. What? That teaches you. Okay, this is only the main part of the game. So let's just copy this main part, I guess. And just replace that here. And hopefully it works now. No video mode has been set. Because you're trying to load the damn images. Dev load images. Let's put that in a function. And just call this function after we init it. I don't know why that actually we don't need to do that. Okay, let's just delete this then. All right, let's run it. There we go. And now we have beautiful game textures. Perfect. Awesome. Now there's bombs, there's pipes, there's game textures. What else do you want? This is Flappy Bird. And there's like a super high score that I will never be able to beat again. And it's even been so smart to render the image, like the pipe image, like to wrap it around. Like the pipe ends are actually working the way I expected it. This is pretty crazy. And if you are a better game artist, game texture artist, this wouldn't look so bad. Let's try to get that high score, 5 points. Come on, we have to like at least get like that 32 score down. We need to win. We need to get that top score. I'm just gonna go for bombs, just for bombs all the time. If there's no bombs, that's really bad because then I have to actually play Flappy Bird. As stupid as that sounds. I'm just trying to avoid as much as possible playing this game because I suck. I suck. Alright, there's lots of bombs there. Come on, you have to touch at least one of them. I wonder if you can like touch multiple at once. Oh, yep, there we go. I can never reach that bomb, so I'm just gonna avoid that one. Try again with this one. 24, okay, we're getting pretty close to that 35 top score. 30, we just have to touch one more bomb, then we're yes, okay, we got the top score. Now I'm allowed to die, and this is like a pretty easy arrangement of pipes. We're gonna get that sweet top score. Oh yeah, can we get to 100? Do you believe in me? 55 already. That was an accidental bomb touch actually. 61. Can we get 69? That would be nice. Ah, no, of course not. Let's put in our top score, 62, not bad. And with that, I will conclude the video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.